Come test drive this 2003 Pontiac Montana. This 7-passenger van provides exceptional value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.